Did you know you can make money by putting your designs on products such as t-shirts? Did you also know you can make around 5 or more figures a year by selling your designs to suppliers? If you're interested in the print-on-demand business and want to learn how you can potentially turn this into a profitable side hustle, just keep watching. Welcome to our channel, Side Hustle Pursuit, the channel that gives you options when you're looking for new and interesting side hustles, as well as effective money-making tips and strategies. Now on to the video. There are many ways to earn with print on demand. In this video, we'll go over the 3 best ways to make a lot of profit in this industry and all the things you need to know in order to succeed in it and start making money. Number 1 on the list is the designing method. If you're a designer or artist or simply interested in the arts and have some free time on your hands, why not turn that hobby into a profitable one? This method allows you creative freedom and also an opportunity to create your own brand and name on the market. You can also choose to simply upload and sell designs if you're not yet set on starting your own shop. Remember that this method is all about creativity and creating wonderful pieces of art that are breathtaking and true to you. This method is perfect for the people who love art, consider it as one of their passionate pursuits, and are interested in becoming recognized through their designs. The upside of this is that it's not supposed to be stressful because you are doing the designs in your free time and when you have the energy to create pieces to express yourself artistically. It also gives you an opportunity to be known as the artist and possibly get commissioned once your designs are showcased to the world through print. The downside to this is if you don't have the equipment for art, whether digital or traditional, and if you don't have much free time on your hands to create and practice making your stunning pieces, well, it can be disappointing. Otherwise, feel free to use the designing method to create and unwind, all while making money passively. Next on the list is the marketing method. This is for the startup entrepreneurs and the people who want to build and grow their own brand. It's hands-on, and you are in full control of whatever happens with your design, marketing, products, and customer service. The marketing method requires you to sign up to lots of advertising platforms and continuously put out your brand and designs to the world. You need to consistently bombard blogs or other sites with your quality ads and products in order to gain traction. You also need to create your own selling account or shop instead of signing up for sites like Etsy, Shopify, or other online shops which do the marketing for you. The reason for this is because you are the one who owns the whole brand, and therefore you are also in control of the management that it has to offer. The upside to this is that if you are consistent in your marketing strategies and management, you will eventually create a huge brand which can earn you a nice profit beyond your wildest dreams. The downside is that you have to have a sufficient starting capital in order to advertise your designs to these good platforms out there. You also need to be hands-on with this method or hire staff that can manage your shop for you. The good thing is, you're always in control and there's no risk of being shut down because your brand is not reliant on other sites. Enjoying the video so far? Tell us if you've tried print on demand. We'd love to hear what you think. And now onto the third method, which is the uploading method. In this last but definitely not least way to make money through print on demand, you can put out simple designs and still earn a lot. It's perfect for people who want a side hustle that's not too time consuming and doesn't require a lot of artistic technicalities. What we mean by this is that you can do a minimalist concept which is time saving and efficient, so you can continue putting out as many designs as you can in as many sites as you want. In this method, you're giving yourself more chances of winning and getting sales by uploading a minimum of 15 designs in 15 sites every day. Just make sure it's a simple but stylish design. The upside to this is you don't need to be super artistic, and you don't need to use up so much of your time. You could simply create as many stunning but simple designs you can in a day and continuously upload them daily. The only downside is that you have to accept that many of your designs will not be chosen by sites you're uploading to. However, with the amount of uploads you're making, you're always bound to succeed. Once you get an approved design, you can study how to recreate the success behind it and build your brand from there. It's a very effective method wherein you only need patience and consistency to succeed. Well, that's it for the video. Are you ready to take on print on demand as a side hustle? Which method did you like best in the video? Be sure to comment below. And as always, like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. Remember, take life by the horns, it's your rodeo. See you in the next video.